In this energy clearing session, we are looking at past life connection to farms and farm energy, animals, that type of thing. So stay tuned. Hi, it's Robin here from Vibration Elevation. And today's card simply says farm. And it's from the Past Life Oracle deck by Brian Weiss and Doreen Virtue. And this card is all about a past life connection to, say, a previous incarnation with something to do with a farm. So this could be living on a farm, being around farms, and this can show up in a couple different ways. Like if you have a dream of owning a farm, or if you have an aversion to farms and farm animals and couldn't care less, wouldn't want to, be on a farm if it was gifted to you, right? You just have an aversion to farms and farm animals and taking care of animals and all that stuff. So it can also be the opposite. Like I said, a dream of living on a farm, working on a farm, owning a farm, just being around that energy. So whatever it is, we're going to do a clearing because it doesn't serve you in either way, right? So if you have this old past life connection to a farm, you want to clear it. So what you experience in this lifetime is actually what you're experiencing, not based on old energy, old traumas, or anything like that. So let's do this clearing. As we do this, just think in your mind's eye, if a picture comes up, what is it like to you? What does a farm feel like to you? And just hold that energy in mind, and we're going to do the clearing. Okay, that was an unusual one. I did feel that one for some reason. And this is really pretty common. Things that you don't think you're going to have a connection to, sometimes you do. And those are the strangest ones when I do these clearings thinking, oh, this has nothing to do with me, really. And then I feel the energy shift, because I feel the energy shift as I'm doing these clearings, that it makes me realize, wait, I did have some strange energy connected to a farm. So anyhow, that is the clearing. I hope you liked it. If you felt anything, please give this video a thumbs up. And to learn more about this, get more free clearings, go to vibrationelevation.com. And thank you so much for watching or for listening, and I'll see you in the next one.